Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be looking at your energies starting from 15th till 21st of November. In this video we will be looking at your past, present and future energy. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. And let's see what's there for my Pisces. November 15th till 21st. Sun rising in Venus sign, Pisces. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description button below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, so let's see Pisces energy. At the back of the deck, we have the Fool energy. So this is a new beginning in your life which you are going towards. It could be a new direction which you have chosen yourself, or you are wanting to go towards this situation, whatsoever this is. In the past, we have Ace of Cups, the Hermit and Three of Wands. I feel like this is something new which is happening right now. But there was something new in the past as well which happened and which ended in the past. Okay, this was also new. It ended. You were healing in the situation. You healed from it. You looked for something better in life, okay, in the past. It was like a process for you, where you involved in something new, then things didn't go well in that situation. Then you healed. Then again you look for something better in your life, like new goals set in your life. So it goes like this, and again you are in the position of something new. In the present we have Queen of Cups, Knight of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. Might be dealing with a Cancer, under Pisces or Scorpio, or Pentacle, Earth energy, Earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Okay, so yeah, I feel things are really good going. Things are like, you want to get married to somebody, or you could be married to someone whom you really love, or you are getting married to this person, or this is somebody who really feel for you the way you feel for them. This is like, there's a proposal coming towards you, or you are proposing someone over here. But yeah, this is definitely something stable, something beautiful, something good which you always want. You're going towards this thing in a very quick way. Okay, let's see. In the coming future, we have Three of Cups, Knight of Swords, the Hierophant. Okay, I see celebrations, I don't know, but I am really getting some very beautiful reading for you, Pisces. But this is some kind of a celebration, marriage celebration. You might be getting married to this person, or things might be, a little fast for you or fast for them. But one person wants to get married really fast, and other person might not be wanting. So this is that thing. But definitely you both want to get married, but still not at the same time. Could be. Yeah, we will clarify what exactly this is. Very beautiful energy though, but let's see. Tell me what's there for the Fool energy in the overall for my Pisces. Fool. Knight of Wands, King of Cups and the Sun. Wow, I am seeing strong passion, strong fire, enthusiasm, love conditions at another level, happiness at another level. Might be dealing with Aries, Sagittarius, Scorpio or Leo. But yeah, things are quite fine. Things are looking like beautiful in the situation in which you are in. Okay, tell me about the past energies. I see that you have become very wise. I see wisdom in your cards, because it has come up in the past energies. It says that they were like, you became wise long back ago, you became mature long back ago, and now you are you have become positive, you have become spiritual. This is a very beautiful person, this is the old man. See how old this person is. You are not old by age. It's that mature energy which you are in. But because it happened in the past only, things changed in the past. Tell me about this hermit energy. I want to check. I want to see what's this hermit about. I was thinking so, The star, 4 of swords and 5 of cups. Things went really bad. There was a time where you always used to see negatives of the situation. You always see, like things, why me? Why everything happens to me? Why nobody comes? Nobody want to have me. Nobody is there with me. Whatever is there, I'm always left alone at the back at the end. But somehow, you healed from that situation. Every time you healed it, then again you cried, then again healed, having a hope of reconciliation sometimes, or having a hope to just move on sometimes. It was like that. It was a come and go kind of a process in which you were in, Pisces. Tell me about the 3 of wands in the past energies for my Pisces. Justice, 8 of wands and 5 of wands. Yeah, always learning your lessons on time, always seeing what is happening, always finding, like, feeling injustice at some time, but at the same time, with that injustice you learned your lessons. The karmic imbalances were solved. People were involved in every situation of your life. Everyone tried to manipulate you, or everyone tried to poke you somehow, like what's going on in your life, what are you doing. Everyone tried to show their opinions first, like, no, I'm right. So things were like messy. I see that things were really messy in your past. Tell me about the Queen of Cups in the present energy. Who is this Queen of Cups? 5 of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and the King of Pentacles. I see that this could be a person from the past with whom you are with right now, or doesn't has to be. But this Queen of Cups could be you, could be someone else who has already been abandoned. So I feel that this could be your energy, because you have been abandoned in the past, and somebody with whom you are dealing with has also been abandoned. Okay, so it's like you both are going through the same situation or the same process in your life. You both have become stable. You both want maturity. You both deserve maturity, stability, because I'm seeing queens and kings in your energies over here. So it's definitely a feeling of stable and emotions, high. Everything is high in your end. Tell me about the Knight of Cups. What's this Knight of Cups? Devil, 10 of Cups, and 9 of Pentacles. You are attracted to this person a lot. You want to get married to this person. This is like an attraction, this is like an addiction, but you want to get married. And I feel that this can be a karmic relationship, but at the same time, you love each other like anything. You want, if you want stability, if you want growth, you want it together. This is what you want. You want this thing together. You do not want to be single and living lives. You are ready to see each and every situation in your life together, like bad situations, good situations, everything together forever, kind of a thing. Okay, so tell me about this 3 of Cups in the future energies. I really want to see what energies we are picking up with the 3 of Cups in the future. 7 of Swords, the Chariot, and 2 of Wands. There could be lies coming up in front of you. Might be from this person, might be from the third person. Okay, because I'm getting a third party situation. This could be a situation not involving a third person, like your person liking someone, but I'm really getting this third person is trying to manipulate both of you or one of you to just like with lies, because I'm seeing lies. Definitely somebody from the past, or somebody from distance, somebody is trying to show, like, you know, things are not fine between both of you. You both are bad couple, you both are not good for each other, you are incompatible to each other. So things might go wrong that way. So for that you have to be ready, and you have to take step according to that. Okay, aggression will not help you in that situation. Your angerness will not help you in that situation. But you are going to take actions according to that situation, because I'm seeing that you are really, really fast. Whatever this thing is, you are going to be really fast about it. Let's see what kind of an action it is with the Knight of Swords. Okay, wow. I feel that with your person, you are going to trust your person, or your person is going to trust you. If the things arise like that, trust should be there, because you will be ending not the relationship, you will be ending this person's bad mouth. Okay, whosoever is coming up, whosoever is manipulating, either it's you or your person over here. But yes, you are definitely going to tell this person that it's enough. You know, you have to just leave our lives. Tell me about the Hierophant energy in the future. The Emperor, Fool, and Five of Swords. Yeah, you are taking control of your life, and you are not going to let these people, these negative energies come in your life or come in your relationship, because you are ready for the new relationship with your person, and you want to get married to this person. There could be caste issues as well, so this could be your parents or your person's parents as well, who will be dealing with, you know, they will be bringing like caste issues, not ready, they are not ready, or people might be manipulating them that it's not going to work out, everything, you know, whatsoever a person can say. But yeah, just be prepared for all this. Okay, so let's see your Angel Answers Oracle deck. So you have to just think about a question, and I will take out 3 cards, so you can find whatever card is your answer. You can take it like that. Okay, for my Pisces, 3 cards for my Pisces, please. Okay, so 1 card I have. The situation will improve. Choose a new direction. Okay, I got it. Take action. Okay. So I feel that if you take action right now and you choose a new direction, whatever your question is, so the answer is, if you need to take action for that situation, and you have to go choose a new direction for that. You know, choosing the same direction again and again might not help you, so you have to change the path. But the but the road can be different, but your goal is same. So you have to choose a different direction, choose a new direction. Only then the situation will improve in your life. Okay, so this could be for someone. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Pisces. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.